Morning everyone, let's go and check on the little kittens. Day 2. I hope they're still there. I hope Mama Cat left them there the night. Let's have a little gander. Definitely Mama Cat's left them there the night. Beautiful. She must be going out. Need to take her food. Get her some food. Just go and get her some food. I'm so happy that Mummy Cat has left the kittens there for a while. She must feel really, really secure being in here. Oh my gosh. Little Mama. And she's cleaned them up. We'll check on them later on.